Quadrilaterals. I would like to show some of the pictures regarding quadrilaterals. This is how a quadrilateral will appear. Okay. Next picture is for a trapezium. This is how a trapezium will looks like. Next one is rhombus. This is the shape of a rhombus. Now we will look into exercise 5.7. Say true or false. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. True or false? It is true, because each angle of a rectangle possesses 90 degrees. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yes, it is also true. The diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Yes, it is true. All the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. True. All sides of a rhombus are of equal length. All the sides of a parallelogram, no, they are not equal. Okay, so it is false. The opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. That is false. The opposite sides of a trapezium will not be parallel. They will intersect at some other point if they can extend. Question number 2. Give reasons for the following. A square can be thought of as a special rectangle. Why? Because a square has all the properties as that of rectangle. So it is called as a special rectangle. It possesses all the properties of a rectangle. A rectangle can be thought of as special parallelogram. Yes, because same properties of parallelogram it acquires. So it is called as a special parallelogram. A square can be thought of as a special rhombus because it acquires all the properties, same properties of rhombus. So it is called as special rhombus. Squares, rectangles, parallelograms are all quadrilaterals only because they are all the quadrilaterals because they are all enclosed by four sides. Whenever they are having four sides, it is called as a quadrilateral. Okay. Square is also a parallelogram. The opposite sides of a square are parallel, so it is called as parallelogram. These are the basic things you have to be keep in your mind. Question number 3. A figure is said to be regular if its sides are all equal in length and the angles are all equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? Square is the only regular quadrilateral. He has given the answer. Square is the only the regular quadrilateral with equal sides and equal angles. Okay. Therefore, square is a regular quadrilateral. With this, we have completed this exercise. Thank